When was your last period? When are you expecting your period? When somebody asks you these questions, can you answer the date without thinking, or are you like most women who offer a blank stare? If you are one that falls in the second lot, this video has something interesting for your help. What if we say that now you will never miss out on or forget your period date? A period tracker is the easiest available tool to track your periods. It is the smartest resource that allows women to log data related to periods, track ovulation date, and calculate the next menstruation date. Periods typically occur once a month, but the exact timing, flow, and accompanying symptoms are not always consistent. Period tracker apps are interactive tools that can help a woman track her monthly period cycle. Why should you track your periods? Period or menstruation is the mainstay in most women's lives from early adolescence until their late 40s or early 50s. Keeping a track of this biological process is important to understand the unique patterns of your body, know your ovulation dates, increase awareness of your health and wellness, understand and manage your mood during menstrual cycle. Understanding the timing of your cycle is valuable for determining the time you are most likely to get pregnant. What are the benefits of period tracker? Easy and handy. You don't need a diary, calendar, pen or pencil. Just download the app, answer a few basic questions, and you are good to go. Sends you notifications. You don't have to open the app and check the dates. The notifications will remind you of the dates. Always with you, just like your phone, the period tracker is always with you. No matter where you are, you will always know your cycle. Every information is digitally and permanently locked on the tool. Pristine Care Period Tracker is the best way to track your period date. All you have to do is download the Pristine Care app. Open the period tracker. Input the length of your period cycle. Submit and track your period. A period tracker can help you plan your life. Knowing when to expect your period means you won't be caught without sanitary products, and you will know when to plan your vacation. It can help you know when to have unprotected sex and when to prepare to beat the cramps and mood swings. Isn't it the best thing ever?